My name is Gary Gordhamer, and I'm a Managing Principal Consultant with Viscosity North America, recently promoted by Oracle to Oracle ACE Director. So thanks for bringing this up, and let me talk about some cool new features at 23AI here at the UTOUG Training Days, Oracle User Conference. Some of the really cool things, one of the first ones is the SQL Firewall, which they've moved inside the database. This is a really cool feature that allows you to quarantine SQL statements inside the database as they come in. This is good for protecting against SQL injection type attacks, or even rogue, like administrator or something that might be trying to run SQL statements you don't want. What you basically do is capture SQL statements maybe over a period of time, a month or something, and then you put them into a list, and then you can either totally quarantine anything that's not in that list, or just have it notify you if something not in that list comes out. So it's a really, really cool feature. Oracle's one of the only ones to have this. It is a licensed product, but it is a great product. If you're using any of the cloud where the license is included, it's included with that. But if you bring your own license or on-premise, then you have to purchase a license for it. Really cool new feature for Oracle 23AI is the Boolean data type. So the Boolean data type is a data type that basically is like true or false, or 1 or 0, or yes or no. For years in Oracle, we've always stored these as like a char field with like a letter or a word in it, and then had to do kind of a lot of different coding to make sure that when you looked it up, you knew what it was. It's really cool now that they actually have a true Boolean data type, and you can just ask if it's true or false, or yes or no, or 1 or 0. All of those work automatically. You don't have to do data type conversions. It's something that should have been around, I'll say, a long time ago. It's in the Oracle database data types now, so it's really cool to see Oracle kind of bringing some of those developer features that we've waited for a long time to finally show up. Finally, a really great performance feature that's coming out for Oracle 23AI is automatic SQL plan management. So for years, Oracle has been moving to SQL plan management, the ability to create baselines, which is a stored execution plan, telling Oracle that I'd like the optimizer to use this preferred execution plan when this SQL statement runs. Traditionally, we had to do that manually, and then eventually there was an evolve task that ran overnight, and you had to wait for that to happen. So maybe you had see a performance degradation during the day, but maybe that night it would catch up. Later in 19, they offer a version now on-prem or in the cloud that runs that every 15 minutes. But at 23AI, they've really upped the stakes by having that be real time. So as the statement is being optimized by the optimizer, it starts to run it. If it sees what looks like poor performance, it immediately runs an automatic evolution of looking for additional baselines that could be created. It tests them real time in your session. If that statement runs better with the baseline, it automatically creates it and accepts it real time. So the user in the session may see a slight delay, but then the statement would be fixed and it would run correctly, and then it's been a mechanism put in place to make sure it runs correctly in the future. If for some reason the future execution of that statement looks like it's running poorly, the optimizer will again reevaluate, so you don't even have to worry about it degrading if something changes down the road. So it's really a cool feature. Kind of takes that autonomous or automatic look into the database and saying, we're even going to fix SQL plan problems for you real time before you can even notice that they happen.